Are you having trouble getting your messages to send on Messenger? In this video, I will walk you through all the steps you need to take in order to get your messages sent again. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Messenger app. So if you are trying to send a message to someone specific and Messenger is not sending it to that specific person, that might mean that they have blocked you or that they do not have a Messenger account anymore. In that case, you can check that by sending a message to someone else on your chat list. But if you are unable to send messages to anyone on your chat list, then what you want to do is exit the Messenger app and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. And then scroll down and find the Messenger app. After that, tap on it. And then tap where it says, Offload app. Tap Offload app one more time to confirm your action. And then tap Reinstall app, to download and reinstall a fresh new version of the app on your phone. And now, hopefully, you will be able to send messages on Messenger without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.